in conic sections. The second one is ellipse. Today I am going to discuss about ellipse. That is, if A alpha is less than beta less than pi by 2 is called as an ellipse. Here, suppose alpha is there here. Suppose alpha is equal to beta. This is an parabola. But in ellipse, alpha less than beta less than pi by 2 is an ellipse. Then the definition of the ellipse is a conic with eccentricity less than unity. Eccentricity is less than unity. Eccentricity is denoted by E. Eccentricity is denoted by E, that is less than 1 is an ellipse. An ellipse is a locus of a point whose fixed distance and a fixed straight line, fixed point and fixed straight line are in the constant ratio E is less than unity. It can be denoted by SP by PM is equal to E. But here E is less than 1. But here E is less than 1. In parabola, E is equal to 1 is parabola. E is less than 1 is ellipse. Then a fixed point and a fixed straight line are called as an focus and it is denoted by S. And the directrix of the ellipse is denoted by SP by PM is equal to E. SP means S means focus. P is any point on the ellipse. Here PM is the directrix. Okay. And then standard form of the ellipse. Standard form of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the standard form of the ellipse. We have to prove the theorem now. Here y axis and here it is x axis and this is the directrix we have to write here. This is the directrix. P is any point on the ellipse. Then C is the center of the ellipse. Here A and A dash. A and A dash are the vertices and S and S dash are the focus. P x comma y is any point on the ellipse. Then perpendicular P from to perpendicular drawn is N. P to N is perpendicular drawn to x axis. Suppose here B and B dash are the meet in the y axis. The distance between CA is equal to distance between CA dash. Center to the vertex A. The distance of center to vertex and the distance of center to the another vertex is equal. This can be taken as CA is equal to CA dash is equal to A. CA is equal to CA dash is equal to A. Then AA dash is nothing but CA plus CA dash. CA is, we take it as small a and CA dash also small a, that is equal to 2a. CA is equal to CA dash is equal to small a and AA dash is equal to 2a. And then by the definition of the ellipse, SA by AZ is equal to E and SA dash, another vertices is there, that is SA dash by A dash Z is equal to E. This can be written as SA is equal to E into AZ and this also can be written as SA dash is equal to E into A dash Z. This can be equation 1, this is equation 2. Then we have to add these two. 1 plus 2 becomes SA plus SA dash is equal to E into AZ plus A dash Z. SA plus SA dash in figure SA plus SA dash is equal to, this can be written as AA dash. SA is here, this is SA and SA dash. Then total we have to write here SA plus SA dash is AA dash. Here SA plus SA dash is can be written as AA dash is equal to E into distance of AZ. Distance of AZ means we have to write here distance of AZ. This distance we have to write here. We know the point center also known as here. Then CZ AZ can be written as CZ minus CA. CZ minus CA. AZ can be written as CZ minus CA. Here it is CZ and AZ. Then this can be written as AZ is equal to CZ minus CA. Okay, and here we have to write in place of AZ CZ minus CA plus A dash Z. A dash Z can be written as here A dash, here Z. A dash Z can be written as here the distance between A dash Z. A dash Z can be written as CA dash plus CZ. A dash Z can be written as CA dash plus CZ. That is A dash Z. A dash Z can be written as CA dash plus CZ. The distances between CA and CA dash is equal to A. A dash is nothing but already you have to know the value is 2A. That is equal to E into CZ plus CZ is 2CZ. Here CA, the distance between C to A is small a, and distance between C to A dash also small a. Small a get cancelled here. 2A is equal to 2E CZ. 2 to get cancelled here. CZ is equal to A by E. CZ is equal to A by E. And then we have to add these two equations. We get the value CZ is equal to A by E. And then subtract these two. 1 minus 2. That is SA minus SA dash is equal to E into AZ minus A dash Z. SA minus S dash. First we have to find the value of SA here. Value of this distance between SA can be written as what we have to write here. SA is CS minus CA. CS minus CA. CS is here like this and CA here like this. Then we can be written as SA can be, then we have to find the value of SA here. CS minus CA. That's why I am writing here in place of SA. CS minus CA minus of and then we have to write here the value of SA dash. SA minus SA dash is equal to E into AZ minus A dash Z. SA can be written as CS minus CA and SA dash can be written as SA dash. Here the distance between S to A dash. This also we have to write here CS plus CA dash. SA dash can be written as CS plus SA dash. CS plus SA dash. We have to write here SA dash CS plus CA dash is equal to E into, already we know the value of AZ here in the, we have AZ is CZ minus CA. CZ minus CA minus of A dash Z. A dash Z also CA dash plus CZ. That is CS minus CA minus CS, minus into plus minus CA dash E into CZ minus CA minus CA dash minus CZ. Here CZ get cancelled here. Here also CS get cancelled here. Here the value of CA is 2A is equal to 2CZE. Here 2 get cancelled here. Then CZ is equal to AE. Then SP by PM is equal to E. P is any point on the ellipse. SP by PM is equal to here. SP is equal to E into PM. We know the value points of S and P, but don't know the value of PM. In the diagram, PM is equal to NZ. PM is equal to NZ. NZ is PM is equal to NZ. NZ can be written as CZ minus CN. CZ minus CN. Already you know the value of CZ is A by E. And CN is parallel to x-axis. Then you have to write here A by E minus x. That is PM is equal to A by E minus x. Take the LCM is E, A minus XE. Here the distance between SP is point of S is AE comma 0 and point of P is x comma y. The distance between these 2 points is x minus AE whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to E into PM is distance between point to the directrix by E. Root is there, then squaring on both sides we get here x square plus a square e square minus 2aex plus y square. Here e get cancelled here, a minus xe whole square. Then we have to expand here a square x square plus a square e square minus 2aex plus y square is equal to a square plus x square e square minus 2aex. 2aex get cancelled here. Then RHS values get LHS. Then x square into 1 minus e square plus y square into is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Dividing throughout a square into 1 minus e square. Then we can get here. Dividing throughout a square into 1 minus e square, that is x square into 1 minus e square by a square into 1 minus e square plus y square by a square into 1 minus e square, that is equal to 1. 1 minus e square get cancelled here. Then x square by a square plus y square by, here b square is equal, we have to let the value of a square into 1 minus e square is equal to b square. B square is equal to 1 a square into 1 minus e square. Then substitute here. This is the standard form of the ellipse. This is the standard form of the ellipse. Okay, and then the equation C is the center. Again we have to recall the theorem again once again. Here C is the center, S and S dash are the focus, A and A dash are the vertices. This is the directrix. Okay. S be the focus and E be the eccentricity and L is equal to directrix of the ellipse and P is any point on the parabola M comma Z on the foot of the perpendicular drawn from P comma S on the directrix L is equal to 0 respectively. Then N be the foot of the perpendicular from P to S Z. This is an ellipse. Okay, and then A and A dash, which divides SZ in the ratio is to 1 internally and externally. Already you know that C is the midpoint of A dash in the diagram. C is the midpoint of A dash. Then A dash is equal to CA is equal to CA dash is equal to A. Then AA dash is equal to 2A. And then clearly the points A comma A dash lie on the ellipse. Then by the definition of the ellipse, SA by AZ is equal to E. SA dash by A dash Z is equal to E. SA dash by SA by AZ is equal to E. Similarly, SA dash by A dash Z is equal to E. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We have to add these two. SA is equal to E into AZ, SA dash is equal to E into A dash Z. We have to add these two equations. SA plus SA dash is nothing but here A dash. SA plus SA dash is nothing but we have to write here AA dash. Already you know the value of AA dash is 2A. Okay, in the diagram AZ is nothing but CZ minus CA. CZ, here the value of CZ. C is the midpoint in the diagram, you have to know that. In the diagram, we have to write here CZ minus CA. And remaining next one is A dash Z. A dash Z is nothing but CA dash plus CZ. Here we have to cancel here. The value of CA and CA dash is small a. That is equal to AA get cancelled here. 2 into CZ is equal to 2A. 2 also get cancelled here. CZ is equal to A by E. And then we have to subtract SA and SA dash is equal to E into AZ minus A dash Z. SA can be written as CA minus CS. SA dash can be written as CS plus CA dash. Similarly, AZ and A dash Z also we have to write in the addition part. Then we have to cancel here CA plus CA minus CS. Here the value is minus 2CS. Here we have to write here. This is minus CS minus CA dash. CA and CA dash get cancelled here. Here also CZ and minus CZ get cancelled here. Minus 2CS is equal to E into minus A minus A. Minus minus get cancelled and 2 get cancelled. Then we can get the value of CS is equal to AE. Here the focus AE comma 0. We have to subtract both equations. We get the focus. We have to add both equations. We have to get the value CZ is A by E. Okay, and then CS is taken as principal axis that is x-axis and it is perpendicular to the line that is y-axis. Focus S is equal to AE comma 0. In the diagram PM is equal to NZ. PM is nothing but NZ here. NZ can be written as NZ. PM is equal to NZ. NZ can be written as CZ minus CN. CZ is the value of CZ. Already you have to find here. The value of CZ is A by E and CN is equal to X. CN is equal to X. Then substitute the value here. Cz is equal to A by E and Cn is equal to x-axis. Then P lies on the ellipse. SP by PM is equal to E. SP is equal to E into PM. The S is AE comma 0 and P is x comma y. The distance between these 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And also we have to know the value of PM is A by E minus x. Squaring on both sides, then root get cancelled here, then expand a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, here y square, e square into, here take the LCM, a minus ex by 2 e whole square, here also e square and e square get cancelled here, then expand a minus ex whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, here minus 2aex minus 2aex get cancelled here, then RHS parts can be come to the left hand side, that is x square plus y square minus e square x square is equal to a square minus a square e square. Then x square we have to common here x square 1 minus e square plus y square. Here also in both we have common is a square 1 minus e square, dividing throughout the equation with a square into 1 minus e square, that is x square by a square we have to remaining here and y square by a square into 1 minus e square is equal to 1. Here we have to take, therefore the standard form is x square by a square plus y square by a square into 1 minus e square is equal to 1. That's we have to write here. Here b square is equal to, here let the value of b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. This is called as an standard form of the ellipse. Okay, this is called as an standard form of the ellipse. And then various forms of the ellipse is there. Here a is, denominators have a square, b square. First, a greater than b. Second one is a less than b. Third one also we have here, first two have center 0 0 and next two have the center is h comma k. Some formulas are there here. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here the center is 0 comma 0 and vertices is a comma 0 and minus a comma 0, and next one is focus S and S dash. S is taken as AE comma 0, S dash is minus AE comma 0, and next one is equation of the directrixes is x is equal to a by e and x is equal to minus a by e, and then major axis and minor axis also there here. Major axis is along x-axis. Major axis along x-axis. Then equation is y is equal to 0 and minor axis is along y-axis. Then the equation is x is equal to 0. Length of major axis is a dash is equal to 2a. Length of minor axis bb dash is equal to 2b, and eccentricity is square root of a square minus b square by a square, and length of latus rectum is 2b square by a. These formulas we must remember in the doing the problems like this. Based on this, we have to find the length of the major axis, minor axis, latus rectum, eccentricity and coordinates of the center, and the equation of the directrix of the following ellipse. They given the equation is 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 144. The standard form of the ellipse is in the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, we have to convert like this equation divided by 144 on both sides. We can get here 9x square by 144 plus 16y square by 144 is equal to 1. Here 9 will cancel how many times? 16. Here 16 will cancel here 9 times. Then x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. This is in the form of ellipse, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. But here the value of a square is equal to 16 and b square is equal to 9. Here we have, in this way we have to write the value of a is 4 and b is 3. What we have to identify here? 4, a greater than b. A is greater than B. Then we have to find the first center. Center is, center of the ellipse is 0, 0. And we have to find the value of length of major axis, minor axis and eccentricity, latus rectum and foci. And the equation of the directrices. What are the formulas here? We have to write here. Center 0, 0. They ask here foci. Foci is AE, 0 and minus AE, 0. Here AE is the eccentricity. First the value of E is square root of A square minus B square by A square. First we have to find square root of A square minus B square by A square minus b square by a square. Already we know the value of a square is 16 and b square is 9 by 16. Here root 5 by 4. Eccentricity is root 5 by 4 and foci is S is equal to AE, 0 and S dash is equal to minus AE, 0. That is, we have to write the value of A is 4 and eccentricity is root 5 by 4, 0 and S dash is equal to minus 4 into root 5 by 4, 0. 4, 4 get cancelled. Here also 4, 4 get cancelled. We can write it as root 5, 0 and minus root 5, 0. This is S and S dash. This is the foci. Okay. And then later on we have to find foci is completed. Eccentricity also completed. And coordinates of the center also completed. And next one is equation of the directrices. Equation of the directrices is, what is the formula here? Equation of the directrices is x is equal to a by e and minus a by e. X is equal to a by e and minus a by e. X is equal to equation of the directrices is x is equal to a by e and x is equal to minus a by e. We know the value of a here. What is the value of a? 4. 4 by eccentricity is 5 by 4 and here also minus 4 by root 5 by 4. Again here we have to write here x plus or minus a by e is equal to 0. Again this also, in place of this also we have to write here x plus or minus 4 by root 5 by 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrices. And again they will ask here length of the major axis and minor axis. The formula of major axis and minor axis is, formula of major axis is here 2a and minor axis is 2b. That is, major axis is 2a. Major axis is 2a. Already you know the value of 2a is 4. That is equal to 2 into 4, 8. And minor axis is 2b, that is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. Major axis is 8 and minor axis is 6. This way of finding the center of the ellipse and foci, equation of the directrices and length of the major axis and minor axis. These problem will be dependent on A is greater than B. And next one is what here? A is less than B also there here. A is less than B. X square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1. A is less than B. Here A is less than B. The center is 0, 0 and vertices 0, B and 0, minus B and foci 0, BE. 0, minus BE, and equation of the directrices is y is equal to BE, y is equal to minus BE. Similarly, major axis along y axis and equation is x is equal to 0. Minor axis along x axis, the equation y is equal to 0. But here the major axis is 2b and minor axis is 2a, and eccentricity also varies here. Here b square minus a square by b square. Here why you are writing here a is less than b. Suppose a greater than b, the eccentricity is square root of a square minus b square by a square. Here also varies here. The a is greater than b, major axis is 2a and minor axis is 2b. Okay, and length of lattice rectum is that here 2b square by a, but here 2a square by b. Okay, and then this a less than b case, we have one problem is there, that is find the length and major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum, eccentricity, coordinates of the center, foci, and the equation of the directrices of the following ellipses. 16x square plus 9y square is equal to 144. This can be converted into a standard form of the ellipses dividing 144. What is the standard form of the ellipse here? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Divided by 144 here. 16x square by 144 plus 9y square by 144 and 144 by 144. It can be 1 here. 9 will cancel here 16 times. 16 will cancel here 9 times. Total we can get it, the ellipse form is x square by 9 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. This is the standard form of the ellipse. But here the value of a square is equal to 9. That implies a is equal to 3. B square is equal to 16. That implies the value of B is 4. Here A is less than B. A is less than B. That is 3 is less than 4. Here also we have to find the center of the ellipse is 0, 0, 0. And eccentricity is, what is the formula of eccentricity here? Square root of b square minus a square by b square. B square minus a square by b square. Already you know the value of b square is 9 and a square is 16 by b square. The value of b square is 9. Here square root of minus 7 by 3. And again, here similarly we have to find the equation of the directrices. Equation of the directrices, the formula of equation of the directrices is y is equal to b by e and y is equal to minus b by e. That is equal to y is equal to plus or minus b by e. Equation of the directrices is y plus or minus b by e is equal to 0. Y plus or minus, what is the value of b here? 4, and here minus 7, root of minus 7 by 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrices. And also find the length of the major axis. Length of the major axis is 2b. Length of the major axis is 2b. The value of b is 4. That is equal to 8. And minor axis is 2a. That is equal to, you know the value of a is 3. That is equal to 6. Major axis is 2b and minor axis is 2a. This is way of finding the center, foci and equation of the directrices, major axis and minor axis. Then we are going to the next case. That is x minus h whole square by a square, y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. Here also a value is greater than b. Here it is, the center is here h comma k. Center is h comma k, and vertices is a plus h comma k and minus a plus h comma k, and foci are h plus or minus ae comma k, and the equation of the directrices is x minus h plus or minus a by e is equal to 0. Equation of the directrices are x minus h is equal to a by e and x minus h is equal to minus a by e. And major axis is here parallel to x axis and the equation is y minus k. It is parallel to y axis. Minor axis is x minus h. Length of the major axis is 2a and the length of the minor axis is 2b. And eccentricity is square root of a square minus b square by a square. And length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. In the first form and third form are equal, but the centers are h comma k. We have to add the h and k values in the directrices and centers also. Okay, and then depending on this one, we have one problem is there. That is, we have to find the length of the major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum, eccentricity and coordinates of the center and foci, and equation of the directrices of the following here. The equation is x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 is equal to 0. This can be converted into the ellipse standard form. That is x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 is equal to 0. X square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 is equal to 0. Then we have to rearrange as x square minus 4x plus 2y square plus 12y plus 14. Here x square minus 4x can be written as in 2ab form, that is 2 into 2 into x. Here 2 into 2x. Two into x plus b square term is not there. We have to add 2 square. Add and subtract 2 square here. This is 1 and again plus 2y square plus 12y is common is there. 2 is common here. Then it can be written as y square plus 6y plus 14 is equal to 0. This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 2 into y square plus 2 into 3 into y. B square term is not there here. We have to add and subtract b square, that is 3 square. x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 2 into, here also a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is y plus 3 whole square. 3 square is 9 plus 14 is equal to 0. X minus 2 whole square plus 2 into y plus 3 whole square minus 4 minus plus 2 into minus 9 minus 18 plus 14 is equal to 0. X minus 2 whole square plus 2 into y plus 3 whole square, here minus 22 plus 14 minus 8 here minus 22 plus 14, 8 here plus 8 here, minus 8 is equal to 0. This can be converted, minus 8 can go outside. Then we have to write here x minus 2 whole square plus 2 into y plus 3 whole square is equal to 8. Dividing throughout by 8 here, then we can get here x minus 2 whole square by 8 plus 2 into y plus 3 whole square by 8 is equal to 1. These 2 will cancel here 4 times. This is in the form of x minus h whole square by a square and y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. Here the value of hk is, we have to convert here x minus 2 whole square by 8 plus y minus of minus 3 whole square by 4 is equal to 1. Here center h comma k, that is the value of h is 2 and k is minus 3. 2 comma minus 3 and a square is equal to 8. A square is equal to 8. Then a will becomes here 2 root 2. A will become here 2 root 2. B square is equal to 4. B is equal to 2. Then center is 2 comma minus 3 and the value of A is 2 root 2 and B is 2 here. Then we have to find the values of a center, equation of the directrices, length of the major axis and minor axis and eccentricities also. Okay. Center h comma k is equal to 2 comma minus 3 and a square is equal to 8, a is equal to 2 root 2 and b square is equal to 4, b is equal to 2. Then we have to find the length of latus rectum and eccentricity. First we have to find the eccentricity. The value of eccentricity is square root of a square minus b square by a square. Eccentricity is square root of a square minus b square by a square, that is equal to 8. Square root of 8 minus 4 by 8, that is equal to square root of 4 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 2, that can be written as 1 by root 2. Then eccentricity is 1 by root 2. And then again you have to find the value of coordinates of foci. What are the foci here? The value of formula of foci is H plus or minus AE comma K. H plus or minus foci is H plus or minus AE comma K. Already you know the values of HK and AE also. Then substitute here. The value of H is 2 and the value of A is 2 root 2 and E is 1 by root 2 comma K is minus 3. That is root 2 get cancelled here. 2 plus or minus 2 comma minus 3. That is 4 comma minus 3 is S and S dash is 0 comma minus 3. S is 4 comma minus 3 and S dash is 0 comma minus 3. And then next one is we have to find here center completed foci and coordinates of the center. Eccentricity also completed here and equation of the directrices. The formula of equation of the directrices is x minus h is equal to plus or minus a by e. X minus h plus or minus a by e. Already we know the value of h is 2. Substitute the value of h here and plus or minus a is 2 root 2 and eccentricity is 1 by root 2. That is x minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 by root 2 is equal to 0. And again we have to find here length of the lattice rectum. Formula of length of the lattice rectum is 2b square by a. We know the value of b square and a. Two b square by a. That is equal to 2 into what is the value of here b square is 4 and a is 2 root 2. 2 get cancelled here. This root 2 will cancel here 2 root 2. Then the length of the lattice rectum is 2 root 2. Okay, and then length of the major axis and minor axis. The length of the major axis is 2a and length of the minor axis is 2b. Then substitute the value of a and b. Length of the major axis is 2b. That is equal to the value of b is 2. That is equal to 4. And the length of the minor axis is length of the major axis is 2a. That is equal to 2 root 2. It can be written as 4 root 2. Here it is 2b. That is equal to 2 into 2. That is equal to 4. This is way of converting into the standard form and find the center, foci and length of the lattice rectum, major axis and minor axis. Thank you. We are continuing in the next class.